Hey guys, in this video we're going to be continuing with our Fedora hat. So let's quickly unwrap the UVs on this before we take this into Substance. Okay, now that the UV unwrap is finished, we're going to export this into Substance Painter. Okay, so we have Substance Painter open, and you can see that I have the Fedora mat applied to my hat. First thing I'm gonna do is take this polyester era futurist and just drag and drop this into my layers. Set this to I guess 3.5. Yeah, that should do. Going into advanced parameters and making the color into black. Let's say I wanted a bit more normal intensity on this and height range, so it has more of a effect of that fabric going on. The other thing that I'm going to do is create a black mask and apply it just to this part. I'm going to create a duplicate of it with Control plus D and turn this off. Press X to toggle between 0 and 1. The 0 value means we are removing something by clicking on it, and 1 means we are adding to it. So since the bottom layer already has something here, I'm going to use this copy to add something over here. This just gives me more control on what I want to do. If I actually needed to tweak anything, this is how I'd go about doing that in a certain part or a certain region. So for the last bit, let's just drag and drop this. Change the color to a whitish tone. Scale it up a bit. It has a lot of metallicness going on. Let's bump up the roughness to make it more fabric-like. Okay. And that should do it for the Fedora's texture. So So all we have to do now is export the maps. Going to need this. This we don't really need, there is no metalness. We will need roughness, normal map, don't need these. So just export, and we're going to go back into Maya and apply those textures. So we're back inside of Autodesk Maya. I have the AI standard surface material applied to this. I'm going to go into the color channel and apply the first texture. Press 6 on your keyboard so you can see it better. Doing the same for all the other channels. And there you have it. We have this Fedora applied. Now the only thing you need to do is take a catchy render of it, and you're done with your third hat. So until next time, guys, see you.